Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So how are you? I think you're doing well. So this is an Arduino Uno board. So I'm gonna show it and I'm gonna just upload an blink sketch which is gonna blink the LED which is blinking right now. So I'm gonna tell the parts on this Arduino Uno board. This is the Artemega 328 chip, and we are having many power output pins and input pins right here. This is the win pin for the Arduino to get power. Here is two ground pins, one 5-volt pin, one 3.3-volt pin, and this is the reset pin. Okay, here are the analog pins. This is from A0 to A5. Here are the 13 digital pins with an ground pin over here. So I'm gonna show you the LEDs on this board. This is an on off status LED. These are the RX and TX LEDs. This is the programmable LED. Also we call it as the built-in programmable LED. This is the port by which we can program this board. I have connected it to my laptop. Here is a DC jack to power up this board. So coming to the code, I am gonna show the code of this video. So we are on my laptop. So this is the code for this project, and we are gonna start with the void setup. Void setup is the command which tells the Arduino to just perform this once. Here is the pinMode LED built-in output, means it is telling the Arduino the LED built-in pin, which is pin number 13, is an output. And when we come down, here is the void loop. In the void loop we are having digitalWrite LED built-in high, which is gonna turn on the LED which is on the pin number 13 and delay for 1 second. And we are here having digitalWrite LED built-in low, which is gonna just turn off the LED or make the pin number 13 voltage to low. And here is the delay for 1 second. So I'm gonna just show you about the Arduino IDE. So in the Arduino IDE file section, we are having new file, open recent file, sketchbook, means all the projects and its codes are here. There are many examples and examples where basics, blink, and many more. I'm gonna show you afterwards and you can just open the blink example, which is gonna do the same job as the code which I've written down here. And we have page setup print. You can also print the code. Go to next section. Here it is just for editing purposes. We are gonna go to sketch. The main thing here is the include library, which you can add libraries for various sensors and other modules. In the tool section we are having two main things, which is the board. You can go to board, Arduino AVR boards, and you can select your boards such as Uno, Nano, and many other boards. And the main thing is the port. You should select the port which the Arduino was connected. In my case it is COM3. Just select it. And we have help also, getting started, environment, and many more. So we are not going to see that. This is the verify button to check the sketch. This is the upload button to upload the code. This is the new sketch button. Open our old sketch and save the sketch. So here also you can see Arduino Uno on COM3. You can verify and just click on upload. Wait for 2 seconds. Yeah, uploading, done uploading. You can get the message over here. Yeah, it is done. I'm gonna show you the board. Hey guys, as I showed you, I uploaded the sketch now. So the sketch is running on the Arduino. So the LED light is blinking on the pin number 13. So you can even add a device on the pin number 13 which is gonna do the same. There is a ground pin. I'm gonna just connect up a buzzer, connect the ground to ground and the positive to pin number 13. Here I'm gonna connect it. You can hear the sound. So this is how it works. I'm gonna just off, it is irritating. So guys, this is how we should use the Arduino while we set it up. So thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye. See you soon.